Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to solve some examples on angle of intersection of two curves. So without wasting our time, let us move to the whiteboard. Find the angle of intersection of find the angle of intersection of two curves. Of following curves. Okay, first example. R is equal to 6 cos theta and R is equal to 2 into bracket 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Now let us write down the first curve. R is equal to 6 cos theta. We have to find the value for tan phi 1, and to find the value for tan phi 1, differentiate with respect to theta. If we differentiate with respect to theta, we get dr divided by d theta. And 6 is constant, right, as it is. What is differentiation of this cos theta? Differentiation of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta. Now write down tan phi 1. Tan phi 1 is equal to r into d theta divided by dr. Substitute the value for d theta by dr and the value for r also. The value of r is 6 cos theta divided by d theta by dr value is equal to, or better you can write into, d theta by dr value is minus 1 divided by 6 sin theta. The reciprocal. Here we have dr by d theta is equal to 6 minus sin theta. So d theta by dr is equal to minus 1 divided by 6 sin theta. 6 and 6 get cancels. So that you will get minus cot theta. And now in left hand side we have tan phi 1 and right hand side we have cot. So try to convert this cot in terms of tan. So to convert this cot in terms of tan, at 90 degree it changes. So tan 90 changes to cot. 90 plus means second quadrant. In second quadrant this tan has negative sign, so minus sign. Angle is theta. This angle is equal to theta. So therefore the value for phi 1 is equal to pi by 2 plus theta. Now you can take second curve. R is equal to 2 into bracket 1 plus cos theta. So here also you have to differentiate with respect to theta, that is dr divided by d theta is equal to 2 is constant, right, as it is, into bracket. Differentiation of this one is equal to 0 and differentiation of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta. Now find the value for tan phi 2. Tan phi 2 is equal to r into d theta divided by dr. And this is equal to, the value of r is equal to 2 into bracket 1 plus cos theta into d theta by dr. D theta by dr is given by minus 1 divided by 2 sine theta. This is into, where 2 and 2 get cancels. Now this 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, we can also write it as 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta divided by 2. With minus sign, write minus as it is, divided by this sine theta, we can write it as 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, where one of the cos get cancels, 2 and 2 get cancelled, so we are left with minus cos theta by 2 divided by sine theta by 2, and cos by sine is equal to cot, so minus cot theta divided by 2. This is the value for tan phi 2. Now we have to convert the right hand side cot, this cot in terms of tan, and to convert it in terms of tan, we can write it as tan 90 degree. Tan 90 changes to cot. Now to get minus sign, here you can write plus sign, because 90 plus moves in second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine and cosec is positive, cot tan is equal to negative, and the remaining angle is theta divided by 2. Therefore phi 2 is equal to, therefore phi 2 is equal to pi by 2 plus theta divided by 2. Now we have to find the angle of intersection of two curves, and the angle of intersection of two curves is given by alpha. Alpha formula is phi 1 minus phi 2. You can take under mod also, that is mod phi 1 minus phi 2. So modulus of, what is phi 1 value? Phi 1 value is equal to pi by 2 plus theta. Phi 1 value is equal to pi by 2 plus theta, minus, this is phi 1 value, and minus into bracket phi 2 value is equal to pi by 2 plus theta divided by 2. And if you simplify this, you will get, that is pi by 2 plus theta, minus into this pi by 2 is equal to minus pi by 2, and minus into theta by 2 is equal to minus theta divided by 2, where this plus pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 get cancels, and theta minus theta by 2, theta minus theta by 2 is equal to theta divided by 2. This is the value for angle of intersection of two curves. Now from the given two equations, is it possible to find the value for theta? Just we can check. Say this is equation number 1. From given equations, I will write from given equations. So given equations have r in left hand side. So if you equate, you can write it as, you can equate the right hand side terms, r cos theta, this is the right hand side of first curve, and 2 into bracket 1 plus cos theta, this is the right hand side for the of second curve. If you simplify this right hand side, you will get, that is, or 2 ones are, and this is 2 threes are, so we are left with 3 cos theta is equal to 1 plus cos theta. Transpose this cos theta to the left hand side, 3 cos theta minus cos theta is equal to 2 cos theta, and in right hand side we are left with 1. So cos theta is equal to 1 divided by 2. Theta is equal to cos inverse 1 divided by 2, and theta is equal to, what is cos inverse 1 by 2? That is pi by 3, 60 degree. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute this value in equation 1. Substitute the value for theta in equation 1. Put in equation 1. What we get? Alpha is equal to pi by 3 divided by 2, total you will get pi by 6. This is the required angle of intersection of two curves. Now we can take one more example. R is equal to A, and one more curve, R is equal to 2A cos theta. R is equal to 2A cos theta. So first I will write the first curve, R is equal to A. What is differentiation of R with respect to theta? So dr divided by d theta is equal to 0. Now find the value for tan phi 1. So tan phi 1 is equal to, formula is R into d theta divided by dr. Substitute the value. The value of R is equal to A, and d theta by dr value is 1 divided by 0, because dr by d theta is equal to 0 means this implies d theta divided by dr is equal to 1 divided by 0, and 1 divided by 0 value is infinity. So A into infinity is equal to infinity. So tan phi 1 value is equal to infinity. So phi 1 value is equal to tan inverse of infinity, and this is equal to 90 degree. So phi 1 value is equal to pi by 2. Similarly, we have to find the second curve. For the second curve, R is equal to 2A cos theta. 2A cos theta. Then what is dr by d theta? Dr divided by d theta is equal to 2A is constant. Differentiation of this cos theta is equal to minus sin theta. Now write down the value for tan phi 2. So tan phi 2 is equal to, tan phi 2 is equal to R into d theta divided by dr. The value for R is equal to 2A cos theta into d theta by dr means reciprocal of this equation. Reciprocal of this equation is equal to 1 divided by minus 2A sin theta, where this 2A and 2A get cancelled. I will write minus as it is. Then cos theta divided by sin theta. This cos theta divided by sin theta is equal to cot theta. So left hand side we have tan phi 2. So now convert right hand side in terms of tan. So tan 90 changes to cot. 90 plus second quadrant which has minus sign. The remaining angle is theta. Therefore, phi 2 is equal to pi by 2 plus theta. Now we have to find the angle of intersection of two curves. That is, alpha is equal to mod phi 1 minus phi 2, or mod phi 2 minus phi 1 also. So phi 1 value is equal to pi by 2, and minus phi 2 value means minus pi by 2 and minus theta, because you have to multiply with minus sign to the theta. Here we have plus pi by 2 and here we have minus pi by 2. So these two terms get cancelled. So you will get this is equal to theta minus theta, and modulus of minus theta is equal to theta. Say this is equation number 1. Now check whether is it possible to find the value for theta from the given equations. From given equations, from given equations, A is equal to 2A cos theta. You have to equate the right hand side because left hand side have R. A and A get cancelled. So 1 is equal to 2 cos theta. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 1 divided by 2. Theta is equal to cos inverse 1 divided by 2, and theta is equal to again 60 degree, that is equal to pi by 3. So theta is equal to pi by 3. Substitute in equation 1. We have to put this value in equation 1. Put in equation 1. What we get? Alpha is equal to theta and theta value is 60 degree, that is pi divided by 3, which is the required solution.